Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. I believe that we don't trust our strengths. Okay, so for a long time, when I was trying to start businesses, I only thought I could make a few $1,000s per month, in my business, right? And it wasn't until I started, looking at other people who either started in a different, or like a behind me in terms of life, or they just knew a lot less than I did, that I understood, maybe I need to trust that I can actually do this. If they can do that, I can do it too. And it wasn't until I started looking around and looking at proper strategies that I started to be able to understand I can grow my income at will and I can control exactly what I need to do, in order to start seeing more of the success that I believe we deserve. If that's what you've been trying to do, maybe you've been trying for a little while and things have just not really been working, I recommend you go get into alignment with strategies that work, the strategies that I figured out for myself and I share with our clients inside of our community called Uncapped Growth Strategies. There's a link in the description below, okay? Again, it's just a group of like-minded individuals who are constantly learning and communicating with how we're growing our business and what we're doing on a step-by-step, day-by-day basis. If that's what you've been searching for, go check out the link in the description below. Have a great day. See you later. Talk to you soon.